Like how all forms of natural and man-made resources finds a use in today's rapidly developing world, it would be rewarding when all the waste generated also finds a use. That's what is simply termed as waste is a resource. In a circular economy, all forms of waste, such as clothes, scrap metal, and obsolete electronics, are returned to the economy or used more efficiently. With this as the principle, the Greater Chennai Corporation, along with the Mac India Group, has come up with a safe and sustainable technology where the dry waste is converted into a valuable end product. On a daily basis, large amounts of waste are being disposed from households. Chennai, being a metro city with a huge population, a significant amount of about 5,800 tons of waste is being collected throughout the city, of which 40% is dry waste. All that we know is that we segregate the domestic waste into wet waste and dry waste at our homes and safely dispose it. All the waste collected is being disposed at the designated dump yards around the city. This particular dump yard, spread across an area of 257 acres at Kodungayur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, has a scientific incinerator installed and running at 50 metric ton capacity. The dry waste is sorted and sent through the incinerator, where the heavy ash collected through the furnace operations are utilized for paver block making along with other admixtures. This technology holds an international and national patent and is a way forward towards circular economy and sustainability. This plant was installed by the prestigious Mac India Limited, founded by Mr. Manikam Attappa Kaunda.
Top scientists in the world predicted at this rate of pollution to our Mother Earth, that is increasing pollution every day. Mother Earth cannot hold any living being beyond 2100. And Dr. Abdul Kalam also endorsed this and wrote in his India 2020 book, we should find affordable solution for all pollution before 2020. I've been thinking about this all the time. Having contributed a lot to the society and to the country, we should also find a solution for all pollution and honor the thinking of our Dr. Abdul Kalam.
And this particular technology was invented by the chief scientist Dr. Raman Shivakumar.
With my environmental conservation projects, when I visited the river and as well as beaches, it is really sad. So much of garbage is mixing in the water bodies, and not only that, often lot of burning is happening, which will cause a lot of issues to the public.
The dry waste is initially sorted, segregated, and then shredded and fed into the furnace as homogeneous material.
And the Greater Chennai Corporation has developed incinerators. Kodungayur is developed a 50-ton capacity under PPP mode, Public-Private Partnership mode and DFOT model, in which that the Chennai Corporation used to give dry waste to the incinerators. They have a kind of scientifically TNPCB approved project plant they have established.
The dry waste mainly constitutes of non-recyclable waste like single-use plastics, synthetic clothes, cardboards, bags, footwear, mattresses, sanitary napkins, and baby diapers. The furnace temperature rises up to a maximum of 1200 degrees Celsius, and about 5 to 7% of the input is being converted to heavy ash. This heavy ash is collected, dried, and used for making paver blocks in the same premises.
We have defined and made it stable the segregation system almost automatically, from which you will get very valuable things from the biodegradable, the organic manure,
The key feature is that no external fuel is being used for firing the furnace and it runs on self-ignition, demonstrating waste-to-energy technology.
Kodungayur is in operation the last 1 year. The emission norms are very much, they are really monitoring through online, and the SOx and NOx, everything is well within the allowable limit.
The entire system is fitted to an efficient pollution control system which ensures that the emissions let to the atmosphere are well within the permissible limits of the standards.
We have to consider two factors for migraine incinerator. One is the cutting edge technology of the incinerator, another one is the round the clock operation and maintenance of the plant. In the operation side, we receive the waste from the corporation and we have the detailed segregation, and then until the proper incineration we have to follow everything in the proper way.
Pollution to the Mother Earth must be stopped to save all living beings, including the human race.
The stack system is also connected to the Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board portal for real-time monitoring of the emissions concentration levels. Water being used in the process is recirculated to the scrubber system after certain treatment. The wastewater arising from the process is treated and the carbon settled down as sludge is being used as manure in agriculture.
Very simple technology. It's something I learned from my mother while she was cooking. She used to ask me to help to blow air so the fire catches quickly and no smoke in the chimney. That is the technology we adopted. Now we have patented also.
Significant benefits of the scientific incinerator include safe disposal and treatment of inward waste within 24 hours, lowers the pressure on dump yards, landfills, a great solution for zero dump, reduces pollution to air, soil and groundwater, no external fuel is required for the process. Hot air is harvested, utilized as thermal energy, hence saving electricity. This initiative is a Make in India innovation. Our operations are in line with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, UNSDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, UNSDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan goal towards Clean India. Living up to the motto and working towards a clean and green Mother Earth has always been the notion of Make India. This technology has proven to be a waste to wealth initiative, paving the way for a sustainable planet and future.